Hello everybody, Steve, your everyday guy here, and today you'll notice I'm inside my Jeep. I recently got this Jeep, and one thing I noticed when I bought it is that the air conditioning didn't seem to be blowing out very hard. Um, so I did it seemed really soft. So I did a little bit of research online to see what all the possible causes was. My fear was maybe I had a blower that was going out, or maybe I had a resistor that needed to be replaced. So after looking online, they said, hey, these Jeeps, they get driven in very dusty environments. Always check your inside air filter first. And so that's what we're going to do. So before we start, though, I want to show you how weak the air is blown out. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn this to on. All right, so to kind of give you an idea of how hard my vents are blowing out. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you about where my vents go to. So when I get my hand about here, it's kind of where my vents stop. Now, as you can see, if I'm driving down the road, um, I'm sitting right there, so that's not really enough to even get to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the car off. Now, the vent is located in the glove compartment right here. So what we're going to do first is we're actually going to open up the glove compartment. Now, with the glove compartment open, you'll see there's a tab right there and right there. I'm not sure if you can see those, so I'll take a picture and post that so you can see what they look like. And you're just going to press in on those two sides, which releases those tabs, and you can see the tabs right there. So with that, I'm going to set that on the floor. And then inside, you're going to notice there's a filter that goes all the way from here all the way to there. Now, if you try to release both of them, this is in the way, and this is actually your speaker housing. So what we're going to do is we're going to release one side of it. And so what we do is we tip this down, which lets that come up. The other thing is you'll notice in here, that goes up. So what I'm going to do is hold that open with one hand. And we're going to reach inside there. And these are usually two-part filters. So we're going to take this part out. And now we're going to reach in there and get the second part, which is on the other side. And you'll notice it's a lot easier with this being a two-part, because that means that you can take them all out through one opening. And so if you can see that, these things are filthy. No wonder why it was not blowing out very good air. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the new filters in. So here in this view, you can actually see how it's discolored the entire filter. The filter, I believe, started out white, and it's definitely a dingy gray. You can actually see the particles stuck down in the filter itself. So no wonder why there wasn't able to have any air flowing through my vents. So I've got my new filters here. Don't ask me what's a good brand. I don't know. I ordered these ones off Amazon because they'd arrived the same day and it was cheaper than my local parts store. So we're just going to open this up. It is a two-part filter. Now this one is charcoal, which you can see it looks a little black. That's a charcoal filter in it. Charcoal filter is great if you have any mustiness in your Jeep. I don't, but if you do, that's a great thing to kind of help purify that air. So we're going to take this out, and we're going to look for airflow. So this shows you your airflow, and the other thing is airflow is going this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in here. We're going to set that all the way to the back. There's a little kind of cup that fits into. All right. And we have the second one that goes in right there. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to clip that in. And we're going to go ahead and put that glove compartment back in. So we're going to put the glove compartment back in. And so you'll see there's two little places right there. That corresponds with these two parts. And you can see they're kind of rounded right there. That's where that will fit in. So we're going to put those there, which lets this just fold right up here. Now we're going to press in on our two tabs and close it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn that AC on and see what it feels like. Oh, that feels much better. I can definitely feel it back here already. So there you have it. That is a quick, easy way to replace your air filters. If you're not sure if it's your air filter or not, one easy way to do it is just take the filters out, turn the vehicle on. If it makes a big difference, you know it's your air filter. You can run it with the air filters out, but just be aware you're not filtering anything. So if you're just driving in town, you could probably do it for a very short time, but you wouldn't want to do it very long. If you made it this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And leave any comments you have. Did this help you out? I want to know. And I really thank you for watching this. This is Steve, your everyday guy, and I'll see you in the next video.